This is so unflattering. Cue the music.
You probably don't know me.
Hey, you probably don't know me, but my name's April, and welcome to my channel. If the cap didn't give you any suggestions, I'm about to graduate. Woohoo! In just 2 days, I will be graduating. Not from high school, not from middle school, not from elementary school, from college. I'll be an official alumni of UC Santa Cruz, class of 2020. I know. Thank you. Yes, my year was sadly cut short, but I was gonna let that stop me from decorating my cab. No, and that's what I'm gonna do today. Now, the way I plan to decorate my cab is to convert it into a slate. You probably don't know this, but I'm a film student at UCSC, and so that's where this inspiration came from. I'm kind of aiming to go for something like this. It probably won't come out like that because I have no creative skills. I could work cameras. I can't work the arts and craft department. Anywho, I couldn't find exactly what I had planned to buy at Michael's, Hobby Lobby, or anywhere really, which left me to go run to Target. I found these sparkly letter stickers along with these gold stars movies. I'm just saying. Anyway, but I wasn't able to find this black sheet of paper that I wanted specifically, but I came across this fellow consumer looking to buy paint, and I remember, bro, you got paint. You got black paint. All you need is some stock paper. So I bought cardstock paper instead. Grabbed some glitters, and bam, sweet on the road. It wasn't until I was in the car on my way home that I realized I did not have any glue for this glitter, which meant I had to stop by Walgreens on my way home and get some glitter. And bam, I was set. Until I got home and realized I didn't even have a glue gun. Luckily, the 99-cent store exists for a reason, and I was able to go find a glue gun for a cheap, affordable cost. Shall we get started? Alright, first things first, gotta trace the kit. Alright, I'm gonna grab my cardstock paper. If you know what cardstock paper is, by the way, it's just a thicker paper. Ooh, I got a problem. It's a little smaller than I thought it would be. So I'm gonna get a second one and place it over and just sort of glue it together. Yeah, that'll work. I should probably put something under here, huh? Un momento. Cool. Gonna use this. How do I not know how to open this? Damn, when they say school safe, they mean school safe. Yeah, that's it. You're graduating college, you say? You couldn't figure out how to glue? So I want this to be black, meaning I gotta paint it. Luckily, I got these paint for a project last quarter, so I got my black paint. Woo! Okay, I'm no painter.
Yes.
Off the bat, I already know I needed more. Alright, I need a bigger brush. So my camera randomly turned off first time that happens, but I ended up wetting my brush, and that helped a lot. I just realized I didn't actually cut a hole in the middle for my tassel. Oh my god, bro. Okay, you're stuck together now. Ooh, bro. It worked. It worked so well I can't get it off. Now that that's done, I'm gonna use the glue to make the lines. Here we go. I already messed up. Oh wow. what happens. Alright, so my storage in my SD card ran out sooner than I thought it would, honestly. So we're doing it through phone. Yeah. Boy, do I feel dumb right now. I just remember I had this double-sided tape thing that I bought from Daiso. And if you don't know what Daiso is, it's this Japanese 99-cent store of sorts. It's really cool. I just passed through it and I put on the glitter on top of that instead of the glue, and it came out basically how I wanted it to look, or how I was somewhat expecting it to look. You know, not like the glue effect. I don't know why I thought I would be able to do the glue. And well, this is how it came out. Alright, I'll put the letters in. Now, for the other big letters. Might not be enough. Alright, hey, so we have a pack house here. Everyone's making lots of noise, ergo voiceover. But this is how it's coming out. I just need to fill in this little spot here and decorate the top to resemble the arrows on a slate. Now I want this to match the rest of the cap, so I cut out a piece of white cardstock paper, painted it black, added a star, and bam! It was time for the glue gun. And voila, the final results. It came out a lot better than I had imagined. It's all sparkly and shiny while paying homage to my hard-earned education. If you're as surprised as I am on how this turned out, please do not hesitate to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!